Hey, it is Rue. In today's video, we are going to make a screwdriver. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's go. To make this drink, we are going to grab these ingredients. Vodka, I have here, Hanger One. Orange juice, I have here, Minute Maid. And an orange, 3 items. It's tool time, let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a highball glass, a jigger, and a knife. First step, let's prep our garnish. I'm gonna cut this orange in half. We'll put the orange slices aside. Grab your orange juice, open it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pour 3 ounces of orange juice into the shaker. Now take your vodka, open the bottle. We will be pouring 1.5 ounces of vodka into the shaker. Add a little bit of ice into the shaker, close the lid, and it's shake time. Grab your glass, fill it up with ice all the way to the top, like this. Pour your drink into the glass. And the last step is to garnish. And there you go, my friends, a screwdriver. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.